Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share with you the different style of hand waving. There are just a few, but I will be sharing you today, so I hope it will give you some ideas just in case you like to do your own. So let's go. First we have this kind of weaving style. So this is a daisy one. So the details of this one, guys, it's like this. So this is natural, no varnish. Then the second one is this one. So you can make a basket or whatever you want if you want to do a design like this. And of course we have this. And also we have this kind of weaving. So they are not all the same, guys. And also this one. So that's different style. And of course that one. And also if you, this one is a mixed material, guys, a mix of grass and paper. So whatever you desired, you can make whatever you want. And here's my little art of the cork. So if you want to make an art with a cork, you could use this one as a cover. So it's all up to you, guys. And this one is different style too. This is natural, no varnish. So whatever you want, you can make different style, different design. So this one ideally is good for the thing that needs a material that you need some like you will avoid humidity. This one is good for the fruits, if you like to put some fruits. And this one I use it for my thing that I want to grab right away before I, it's like if I'm in a hurry, so I'll be using this kind of basket. So I'm putting all my tiny stuff in there. And obviously this one is for the plant. So that's also different mixed design. And of course this one I use it for my socks, the one I want to grab right away, guys. So this is also a recycled material I found in the backyard. So that is why, guys, I'm recycling it like that. But I need to go because my husband is calling me now. So sa biyato, and I'll see you next time. So that's it, guys. Bye for now.